Spinnaker Support's managed services ensures seamless integration with the support provided by other vendors within the client's IT environment or other internal support teams that are providing support of other IT systems within a client's environment by structuring our services according to ITIL, IT service management methodologies. In doing so, we have a common language with which we speak to customers about the services we're providing, and we also ensure easy integration with the services being provided by other support teams and other vendors within their IT environment. We also leverage ITIL IT service management because it is a globally recognized standard for delivering a high level of service. And as such, we've used that as the basis for structuring the delivery of our services as well.